in unit 3rd, magnetic effects of current. We have next topic is Bohr magneton or magnetic dipole moment of an atom due to revolving electron. Let us consider that electron is moving in a clockwise direction, in an anti-clockwise direction, in a circular path of radius r. The direction of current is always opposite to the direction of electron, so the current is flowing in the clockwise direction. Now, according to Bohr's theory, we know angular momentum L, this is equal to m into v into r, where m is mass, v is velocity, r is radius. From here we can calculate the value of v into r, that is equals to, we can write here, this is L upon m. Now, time taken to complete one revolution, t is equal to, time is equal to distance upon velocity, that is equals to, time is distance, that is 2 pi r upon velocity v. Now, according to the relation, we know that I is equal to current is equal to charge upon time, that is equals to q upon t. Now we can write here, now the charge is of the electron is E, time is 2 pi r upon v. So we can write here I is equal to, this is equals to EV upon 2 pi r. Now we know magnetic moment M, that is equals to current into area, current into I, this is area. Area of a circle is pi r square. So we can write here pi r square. So M is equal to I. We know the value of I is equal to EV upon 2 pi r into pi r square. It will be cancelled, it will be cancelled. So M is equal to, we can write here E into VR by 2. From the equation first, you can say VR is equal to L by M, that is M is equal to, you can take L by M, this is mass, you can denote it as M dash. Now M is equal to E by 2 into VR, that is equals to L upon M dash. Now we have calculated that M is dipole moment and that is magnetic moment M, that is equals to E by 2 into L by M. Now here M by L is equal to, we can write here, this is E by 2 into M dash. From here we can put the value of E. We know 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, M dash is mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. So we can write here M by L, that is equals to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 2 into mass, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So this value will be 8.8 into 10 to the power 10 coulomb per kilogram. Now according to Bohr's theory, we know that angular momentum L is equal to, this is nh upon 2 pi, h is Planck constant, n is value of any orbit. So according to the relation, we know m is equal to E by 2 into L upon M dash. Now we can put the value of L, E by 2, M dash, L is, this is nh upon 2 pi. Here if n is equal to 1, then m is equal to E by 2 to the 4 pi M dash into h. Now putting the values of E, Planck constant, pi and mass of electron, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, Planck constant is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 upon value of pi is 3.14 mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. We get the value of m, that is equals to 9.27, that is 10 power minus 24 ampere meters cube. Now from here we can define Bohr magneton. The minimum dipole moment associated with an atom due to the orbital motion of an electron in the first stationary orbit of an atom, and the value of the Bohr magneton m is equal to 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meters cube.